To replace the cap foam, press Menu OK and scroll down to Maintenance. With Maintenance highlighted, press Menu OK. Highlight Maintenance Part Clean Replace and press Menu OK. Select Replace Maintenance Unit Parts and press Menu OK. Press Menu OK in response to the following instructions on the screen. The carriage will then move into position. Complete this task within 15 minutes to prevent the printheads and maintenance station from encountering possible damage. Taking the door key, proceed to open both upper left side doors to access the maintenance station. Ensure you're wearing gloves and have lint-free wipes and either 4 or 6 new cap foams on hand, depending on which GTX600 model you own. Remove the cap foam supply assembly from the maintenance station. Caution: do not use sharp objects, such as tweezers, and be sure to remove the cap chip and cap foam by hand. Wipe your gloves off with a lint-free cloth to keep from getting the new caps dirty with waste ink. Next, assemble the cap foam into the cap chip. Here is a properly assembled cap foam supply assembly. The cap chip has two sides. Be careful not to turn the cap chip upside down when the cap chip and cap foam are assembled. Set the cap foam into the cap by aligning the cap foam hole with the notch on the back of the cap foam holder. Be careful not to reverse the orientation of the cap foam. Make sure to place the cap foam hole into the protrusion on the rubber cap holding bay when inserting the cap foam supply assembly. Before placing the cap foam, inspect the rubber caps to ensure there is no damage to the silicone. If there is uneven wear, order new ones and replace. If there is no issue, please proceed. Set the cap foam supply assembly into the rubber cap holding bay. Then close and lock the left-hand side doors. Return to the control panel and press Menu OK to move the carriage and printheads back into position. Before resuming printing, print nozzle checks for both white and color to ensure no nozzles are missing. Dispose of all ink-contaminated material in accordance with applicable laws.